Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Mmath question paper from the year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 18. In question number 18 it has been said that if A is the matrix -1 to 0, minus 1, and if B is the matrix A plus A square plus A cube up till A50, then the options are that B square is equal to I, B square is equal to 0, B square is equal to A, or B square is equal to B. These are the options that we have been given. So as you can see that we need to find out what is the value of B square. So we have been given that A is equal to the matrix -1, 2, 0 and -1. So if we need to find out A square, so this will be equal to -1, 2, 0, -1 into -1, 2, 0, -1. So upon multiplication this will come down to 1, -4, 0 and 1. Similarly, if we try to find out A cube will be equal to A square is nothing but 1, -4, 0 and 1 into A, which is -1, 2, 0, -1. Upon multiplication this gives us -1, 6, 0, -1. This is what we are getting. Now if we try to find out A4 will be equal to -1, 6, 0, -1 into this is A cube, and A is equal to -1, 2, 0, -1. This will be equal to 1, -8, 0, 1. So as you can see that for A we are getting A to the power 1, we are getting -1, -1 in the principal diagonal, and 2 to the power 1 over here, if or 2 into 1. For A square we are getting 1 and 1 in the principal diagonal and -4. For A cube we are getting -1 and -1 and 6 over here. For A to the power 4 we are getting 1 and 1 over in the principal diagonal and -8 in the topmost corner. So basically in general we can write, in general, the formation for any matrix A which is to the power 2k plus 1, that is A has a odd power, in that case the formation will be -1, 0, -1 into 2 into 2k. This is the formation that we are looking for in case of an odd thing. And if A to the power 2k find out where the power of A is a even number, in that case it will take the form 1, 0, 0 as given over here, as you can see over here, and this will be is 2k plus 1 over here, and similarly it will be minus of 2 into 2k. Okay, this is the formation that we are looking for. So now let us go back, insert one more page over here, since we need to find out the value of the matrix B square. So what we already know that B is equal to A plus A square plus A cube, and it goes on till A50. And as you have already seen that A to the power 2k is equal to 1, 0, 1, and this is equal to -2 into 2k, and A 2k plus 1 will be equal to -1, 0, -1, 2 into 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1. So if we add these values using this form, then ultimately we'll see that this term, the term on the left, topmost left, cancels out with the topmost left of the next matrix. Similarly, 0, all the zeros add up to give 0, and here also 1 and -1 add up, and ultimately every value comes out to be 0. So it will be, these three values are 0, and in the top it will be 2, and next 4, then 6, then 8, and it goes on till 198 minus 200 for A50. So on solving this comes on to 0, 0, 0, 0. As you can see, 2 minus 4, this is equal to -2. Here also it is -2. Similarly, here also -2. And this thing occurs 50 times. This thing occurs not 50 times actually. This thing occurs, we can say, 25 times, since we are taking two matrices common at one instance. So this occurs 25 times. So 25 into -2, that is nothing but equal to minus of 50. So B is equal to 0 minus 50, 0, 0. So B square will be equal to 0 minus 50, 0, 0 into 0 minus 50, 0, 0. And upon multiplication, this gives us 0, 0, 0, 0, which is the null matrix 0. So this is the option B. So B squared is equal to 0, which is the null matrix. This is the correct option. So today we have solved question number. So today we solved this question from the ISI Mmath question paper of year 2016. This is the question number 18. We will solve the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.